Imagine a future where defunct satellite parts can be repurposed and reused in space. That future is now closer than ever, thanks to the European Space Agency's historic achievement, the world's first metal 3D printing aboard the International Space Station. Welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of space technology. Our mission is to bring you the latest and most groundbreaking advancements in the field. And today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. Today, we're diving into an incredible breakthrough that could revolutionize space technology and sustainability. This breakthrough is not just a step forward, it is a giant leap that has the potential to change the way we think about and interact with space. The implications of this advancement are vast and far-reaching, touching on everything from the efficiency of space missions to the sustainability of our activities beyond Earth. The European Space Agency, in collaboration with Airbus, has successfully performed the first metal 3D printing in space. This achievement is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the scientists and engineers involved. Metal 3D printing in space is not just a technical feat. It represents a new frontier in manufacturing and resource utilization. By being able to produce metal components directly in space, we can significantly reduce the need to transport heavy and bulky materials from Earth, thereby saving costs and resources. Let's explore how this was achieved and what it means for the future of space exploration. The process of metal 3D printing in space involves several complex steps, each requiring precision and expertise. First, the raw materials must be carefully prepared and transported to the space station. Once there, the 3D printer, which has been specially designed to operate in the microgravity environment of space, takes over. Using advanced techniques, the printer builds up the metal components layer by layer, following a pre-programmed design. This method allows for the creation of intricate and highly customized parts that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. The benefits of metal 3D printing in space are numerous. For one, it enables the on-demand production of parts and tools, which can be crucial in emergency situations. Imagine a scenario where a critical component on a spacecraft fails, and a replacement is needed immediately. With 3D printing technology, the necessary part can be produced on-site, potentially saving the mission. Additionally, this technology opens up new possibilities for the construction of large structures in space, such as satellites, space stations, and even habitats for future space explorers. The collaboration between the European Space Agency and Airbus is a shining example of what can be achieved when industry and research institutions work together towards a common goal. This partnership has brought together some of the brightest minds in the field, combining their expertise and resources to push the boundaries of what is possible. The success of this project is not just a win for the organizations involved, but for the entire space community and humanity as a whole. As we look to the future, the potential applications of metal 3D printing in space are truly exciting. From building more efficient spacecraft to creating sustainable habitats on other planets, the possibilities are endless. This technology could also play a key role in the development of space-based industries, such as mining and manufacturing, which could provide new sources of materials and economic opportunities. In conclusion, the successful demonstration of metal 3D printing in space by the European Space Agency and Airbus marks a significant milestone in the evolution of space technology. It showcases the power of innovation and collaboration and sets the stage for even greater achievements in the future. We are excited to see how this technology will continue to evolve and shape the future of space exploration. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and stay tuned for more updates and insights into the fascinating world of space technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big. On January 30th, 2024, a metal 3D printer was sent to the ISS aboard the Cygnus NG-20 mission, launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. This 180-kilogram, 396-pounds machine was destined to make history. Once the metal 3D printer arrived at the ISS, ESA astronaut Andreas Mogensen installed the machine in the Columbus ISS module. The installation process was meticulously planned and executed to ensure the safety and functionality of the equipment. On May 30th, 2024, the consortium led by Airbus successfully performed the first metal 3D print in space. They created a small S-shaped curve out of liquefied stainless steel, a monumental step in space manufacturing. The metal 3D printer works by feeding stainless steel wire into a chamber, where it is heated by a high-power laser until it liquefies. The molten metal is then shaped by the printer, all controlled from the ground. To prevent excess heat and fumes from escaping, the printer operates inside a fully sealed box. The successful metal 3D print opens up a world of possibilities. ESA envisions a future where defunct satellite parts can be repurposed using 3D printers, creating a circular economy in space. This would not only reduce waste, but also save significant costs associated with launching new materials from Earth. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, achievements like this remind us of the endless potential of human ingenuity. Stay tuned for more updates on groundbreaking space technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest in tech innovations. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media for more exciting content, and join us on this journey to explore the final frontier.